don't know where my son is this morning, but here's all my boys. Yeah. Supposed to be near 70 today, so sun or not, it's going to be warm. Hey, buddy. How are you? Hi. Hello. Hi. Yeah, he's been in the house already. Got him some attention. And he wants to make sure he doesn't miss out on anything. Hi, Morris. How are you doing today, bud? Hi. Good boy. Hi, Panther. Good morning. How's my buddy? Yeah. Lately, every night morning, night, at midnight, I've been out to see him and bring him a little bit of something to eat. Gypsy and Spot were both here to eat yesterday. And Gypsy, in the afternoon, I noticed the food bowl was 100% clean. And Spot around 7 to 8, sometime along in there, sort of his normal time. So that's good. That was a good day. I don't know what's changed for Gypsy, but I'm glad to know he's doing well. I got Panther's hair all over my hand because it was wet. Yeah, no sun today. We just got milky clouds for the most part. Maybe it'll clear up. I think there's like a 10% chance of rain. A small shower. Nothing. No serious rain chances today. Hi, good morning. Hi, here you go. She survived Don being in here yesterday. Best as we could tell, she must have been hid in her chair the whole time. Because he was in and out a lot, and I ran the vacuum cleaner, which, you know, is scary, and she's good. There's a bottle up by the sign, a bottle by the bush, and 2 more, like, bottle and a can down there. And we already had 1 other bottle, and we just left the environmental park. Oh, there's 2 up here, too.
Hey.
It's not too bad out here this morning. It's quiet today. Liking the quiet. And turkey vultures.
Got my Jolly Roger.
Yeah, it's the 3rd wrapper. Apparently somebody walked the trail, and every time they ate one, they just dropped the wrapper on the ground.
90 seconds apart walking speed, maybe, something like that.
I really don't like junk food. I really don't.
Well, I love junk food, except for it's toxic, so I don't have any.
And it's kind of hard to eat a steak and throw scraps of steak down on the ground while you're walking.
Yeah.
Deviled eggs, piece of cheese.
Right.
I suppose the cheese, if it's processed cheese, could be in a wrapper. We're heading back out of South Park now, and it's the quietest morning we've had on the trail or at the park in a long time. No garbage trucks, no Mustangs, no blowers, weed eaters, or lawn mowers. We haven't passed a single soul on the trail. And no construction, no lane closures at the intersection this morning, so traffic wasn't backed up and people weren't cutting through. That's pretty nice out here. We had 10 drops of rain and then it just passed us on by, and it looks like it's clearing a bit. All our bluebird boxes were intact where they were supposed to be today. I just saw a bluebird on the tree with the leaves right next to the box, and a couple other birds that flew over here. So I have high hopes for that particular box. I'm in here with Gray earlier than later today. She's very happy. I'm not actually plugged into the new Ethernet. I don't have the Wi-Fi dongle in here with me. It's where I sit in the other room, and I don't typically have, I just need it when I'm uploading files to Google Drive. If I had a second one, I would plug in here, but Yeah, it's fast enough for what I'm doing right now. So, Stripe and Morris are on the bench, and Tux and Marty are in the high chairs. I need to use the broccoli. It's been in the refrigerator for a few days. I'm making that egg, sausage, cheese, broccoli, onion casserole, heavily flavored with basil. I put the stems of the broccoli in with the onion and garlic to cook it, and then I add the tops and cook them more gently, less time. This is a little bit of Bragg's coconut aminos. Mostly what that does is add some salt. I am going to cut up this sausage and add this in now. The only thing that varies about how I make this is typically which sausage I use. I like this stuff. I don't buy it because it's chicken or low fat. I buy it because we really like it. There's less than a carb per link. It's 1:40. The casserole's got a few more minutes. I've started working on my new build. I just call it the Chinese restaurant and noodle shop because that's what it is. And, you know, I'm going to work on it for a while. I cut my finger somehow. I actually don't know what I did to cut it. It's like a paper cut. So annoying right when I want to work on my Lego. I hate Band-Aids. They get in the way. Looks good to me. I'm opening up and processing some of the bags in the second Chinese restaurant box. I'm trying to get all of the sand green pieces that came in the boxes. It's a little after 5 and I've made obviously a ton of progress today. There's just another layer or two to top out the first floor, and I want to stop and go outside for a few minutes. It's 72 out there. You got the flower bouquet, the steps, the receptionist stand, the kitchen, including the Peking duck, the turkey, is hanging. Fish tank is done. A couple little decorative squares, decorative tile, lots of kitchen stuff happening in there. So, amazing number of details in this build and just a ton of fun. It's 72 and we're hanging out on our bench. Yeah. Airplane up there. Kitty's on the move.
Come and check us out.
I know.